won't go in on it.
You don't?
Really?
Tap on the center of the screen where he is.
He's killing it.
He's killing it. Tap on the center of the screen. You're not listening.
Oh.
There, you're good.
What is it that he's got?
Blackbird.
Oh, it's a blackbird. Is it too heavy for him to carry it?
Probably.
Is it a crow?
No, Mom, it's a blackbird.
It looks like a baby crow because of the yellow beak.
Baby crows are a lot bigger.
You should have heard that thing come down.
I heard it.
I was like, oh my gosh. I'm surprised when I yelled it didn't scare him. Look at him trying to carry it.
Yeah.
I think it's dead. I think the bird's dead. He swooped down and got it right there at the window.
He's trying to fly away with it. He can't.
That hawk's kind of...
He's small. He's like a little baby hawk.
You could probably catch him. He's like looking around going, okay. So it won't go in no further, Chris?
No.